welcome to Next Gen Mansions. Today we explore how futuristic luxury sofas redefine living room design in 2060, glowing aquariums, ultra-modern forms, and immersive beauty from around the world. United States, Los Angeles. U-shaped masterpiece floats above a translucent floor, glowing with coral-lit aquariums while open glass walls reveal endless coastal beauty. Japan. Tokyo, minimal and serene. The sofa features bamboo-lit aquariums at its base, echoing traditional Zen design with a futuristic glass backdrop. United Arab Emirates, Dubai's gold-edged luxury takes form in a glowing sofa base, pulsing with neon-lit aquariums beneath sculpted palm shadows and marble light beams. Rio de Janeiro, vibrant fish swirl beneath rainforest-inspired contours as natural light pours over the sofa's glowing frame and rich tropical textures. Sweden, Stockholm, a crisp white structure glows with glacier blue aquariums, softly illuminated beneath a ceiling that mirrors the northern lights.
India, Mumbai's elegant curves sit atop saffron-glowing aquariums with golden fish drifting below as warm sunset tones fill the panoramic interior. Roman classical elegance meets futuristic form. A sculpted base holds glowing aquariums like fountains set beneath floating crystal arches. Germany, Berlin, A-structured, minimalist frame houses geometric aquarium segments, blending glowing aquatic life with precision design and sharp lines. And United Kingdom, London, a fusion of modern minimalism and classic detailing. The sofa floats above glowing aquatic life, casting reflections on polished wood floors. South Africa. Cape Town, a curving design rests above aquariums filled with vibrant fish and drifting kelp, set against sweeping glass walls facing mountain silhouettes. Thailand. Bangkok, non-orchid toned sofa sits over glowing aquariums, where fish swim beneath soft floor.
Lights and the scent of digital rain fills the space. You have just seen 15 breathtaking visions of futuristic luxury, each one a masterpiece of innovation, imagination, and design. Every living room sofa told a unique story, blending glowing, immersive architecture and cultural artistry into a cinematic experience straight from the year of 2060. Some floated above glass floors that opened to infinite oceans, others were wrapped in soft light surrounded by plants, digital shimmering skylines. These were not just sofas, they were living designed to calm the mind, inspire the spirit, and connect nature, technology, and beauty in ways we have only begun to dream of. But now it's your turn to decide which country's vision of the future left you completely speechless. Was it the minimalism of Sweden? Did the golden desert elegance of Dubai capture your imagination with the bold metallic outlines and glowing light across the dunes? Or maybe it was the peaceful coastal calm of Australia where reef-inspired lightning danced beneath glass, surrounded by ocean views. Perhaps Japan bamboo-lit Zen fusion spoke to your soul, futuristic in function but deeply rooted in calm and tradition. Or did Italy blend of classical arts and soft modern velvet win your heart with timeless Roman charm and modern economic brilliance? Was it the urban glow of Germany, geometric layout, the dazzling skyline reflected in South Korea's sleek high-tech layout, or the lush living wall backdrop of South Africa? Nature meets modern design. Each design came from different corner of the world, yet all shared Each design came from a different corner of the world, yet all shared a singular goal: to reimagine luxury for the future. They blurred the lines between furniture and art, nature and technology, past and future. And now we want to hear from you. Which country futuristic sofa looked the most beautiful to you? Which one would you choose to relax in while watching the sun dip beyond the horizon in 2060? Let us know in the comments below. Tell us your favorite, the movement that caught your breath, and the place you had called home in futuristic world of elegance. At Next Gen Mansions, we believe the future is not something we wait for, it's something we design, and we are here to bring those dreams to life one vision at a time. At Next Gen Mansion, we bring tomorrow's luxury straight to your screen through cinematic design, future-forward imagination, and deep dives into architecture that has not even been invented yet. From underwater lounges to gravity-defying bedrooms, glowing crystal kitchens to floating rooftop space, we